Hey everyone, this is Ed O'Neill from marketingtipsforhomebusiness.com. Got a big secret for everybody that I just discovered, something that's going to help us all. It's the reason most of us or most people in home business don't reach the top levels and are not successful. And it's simply a case of excusitis. Yes, excusitis. I didn't have enough time. I'm too old. I don't have the experience. I'm too young. I don't have a warm market. I don't know enough people. I don't have a business background. Excusitis is caused by not thinking big enough and not focusing on our goal. We have to focus all our attention on where we're going, not on our situation and our circumstance. As I've said before, and you all know, most people are not going to get into business with you. Most people are going to do something else. So we have to move on and move forward. No more excuses. Make the calls that we know we have to make. Do the things that we have to do. It's not skill. It's not talent. Those things help, but be positive, work hard, and understand you determine your outcome. Nobody else. And if you think you can't do it, guess what? You're right. Excusitis, get rid of it. There is no reason. There are billions of people out there, especially with social media, with the internet. You can find enough people to speak with. There are tools out there that can find people. You can find people to speak with. You just have to do it. No more excuses. Pick up the phone. I know the phone's heavy. I know it's hard, but that's the key. This is a business of communication. Any business is communication, but especially home business. You have to reach out to enough people to make your business work. So remember, don't get caught up in excusitis. Just do the things you need to do that you know you need to do to grow your business. If you felt value with this and you want to get some more tips, visit my site at www.marketingtipsforhomebusiness.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day. No excuses.